this is what it feels like to be on your bad side. You wanna do this all night, never let the walls come down. I'm tired of the whole charade. I've had it with the silly games. Everybody's perfect but me, at least that's what they say. Yeah, my whole life is satire, a balance act on one wire. I tiptoe in a spitfire, time to bring the whole thing down. Yeah, they never see me coming. Had enough so I come running. About to show you a little something. I can't stop. 'Cause I don't need love. I don't need love. I don't need
Mama po ay napaka-mabait at napaka-selfless po ni Mama. Lahat po ay iisipin niya po para sa amin at napaka-hardworking din po niya sa nanay at as a lola.
Napaka-intindihin din ni Mama and prangka si Mama sa lahat ng bagay. So, kaya kami lahat ay successful dahil din sa kanila ni Papa.
Man, I'm really on that new way. There's no ceiling when you stop believing. I'ma say it
Happy birthday, Ma'am Glo!
Happy 60th birthday, Nanay Ure.
Love you!
And I was like, whoa, sun is shining like gold. I think I finally know it's okay to let go. I feel like, whoa, life is good for my soul.
Happy birthday, Mama! Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay more birthdays to come and God bless you always. I love you so much, Mama. Happy birthday again.
Everybody wants to know the secret to the world. Don't think there is one. Yeah, it's okay for you to let it go. You ain't gotta do it on your own. You can sing along with me like.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Like, whoa, sun is shining like gold. I think I finally know it's okay to let go.
Ang masasabi ko lang is si Mama is siya yung all around. Hindi lang siya teacher, isa rin siyang nurse. Masarap din magluto at magaling mag-alaga bilang nanay. Siyempre, yun lang yung masasabi.
In short, ano siya, si Mama para
The
namin
best.
best friend. As in, lagi kausap namin si Mama, may problema kami or may mga chismis, may mga chika, si Mama ang tatawagan namin.
Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw and sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at malakas sa pangangatawan. Nandito lang kami mga anak mo, Ma, na handa kang suportahan sa lahat ng gusto mo, Ma, and mahal na mahal ka namin, Ma.
Now it's like, whoa, sun is shining like gold.
Ang birthday wish po sana namin ay maging good health po at sana po mabang buhay.
I feel like, whoa, life is good.
Ma, ang wish lang namin sa'yo ay bigyan ka ng mahaba pang buhay para makasama mo pa kami at ang mga apo. Yun lang. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Mama.
Stay ka na ngayon. Senior ka na, Ma. Nayak ako, Ma. Napapayak mo ako, Ma. Lagi mo tatandaan, Ma, na nandito lang kami. Laging nakasupport sa'yo. Saan man ang gala mo, Ma, pag-drive kita. Love you, Mama!
Wow.